Hi everyone, I am Shahan Laik. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be talking about congenital syphilis. So what is congenital syphilis? How this is caused? Basically, this is a kind of syphilis which occurs since birth. So you can see two types of symptoms in congenital syphilis. One is the early symptoms, another is late symptoms. So what do you mean by early symptoms? Early means which occurs from birth to first few years of life. So first few years of life you get early symptoms, birth to first few years of life. And late manifestation has this late symptoms. So there are two kinds of manifestation for congenital syphilis. One is early, from birth to first few years of life. Another is late. So let us discuss the symptoms. So basically, let me draw first. This is your liver and this one is your spleen. And this liver has been enlarged and the spleen has been enlarged. So why I have drawn this enlarged liver and spleen? Because these babies shows hepatosplenomegaly. Hepatosplenomegaly. So that means they have enlarged liver and spleen. So that is the first important feature. Second important feature for these kind of babies is maculopapular rash. Maculopapular rash. What do you mean by this? Maculo means flat. So flat rash. Macules means flat. Papular means bumpy. So you get a bumpy flat rash. Where these rash are present? These rash are present in palms and soles. You get maculopapular rash. Next important thing which you get is pneumonia. So you can remember these three important things which I told you. One is, let us revise once again, hepatosplenomegaly. Number two is maculopapular rash. Number three is pneumonia. So these are the three important characteristics you can get in congenital syphilis. So if there is a baby with large liver and spleen, and you can see the skin rash and you can see pneumonia, then you can find out that this baby is suffering from congenital syphilis. Let us learn about the late manifestation. The late manifestations are very, very important because many times these are asked in the questions. Late manifestation of congenital syphilis. You get saddle nose. So you get a nose which is saddle sapid. So saddle nose. I cannot draw it properly. Anyway, I will show you picture. Saddle nose. Next is Saber sheen. So what is Saber sheen? Saber means sword. So your shin, your tibia will look like the sword. It will become sharpened. So that is Schwarzschild. So saddle nose, Schwarzschild, and Hutchinson teeth. Hutchinson teeth. So these three, remember these three: saddle nose, Schwarzschild, and Hutchinson teeth, which is very very important. These three are the late manifestation. What is Hutchinson teeth? Basically, it is a kind of teeth which is widely spaced and it has a kind of notch in between. I will show you picture, don't worry about this. Saddle nose, Schwarzschild, and Hutchinson teeth. Saddle nose, Schwarzschild, and Hutchinson's teeth, late manifestation. Now basically this Hutchinson teeth comes with a triad, and that is very very important. Let us learn about this triad, which sometimes are asked in the question. So the triad is Hutchinson teeth, which is the teeth with widely space, and the teeth has a kind of notch. So you can see the notch in between. So these teeth, can you see there is a wide space between them and there is a notch. This is called the Hutchinson teeth. Hutchinson teeth is usually presented as triad. It is presented as triad of other two symptoms. So what are the other twos for the triad of Hutchinson teeth? Hutchinson teeth, interstitial keratitis. Interstitial keratitis. Interstitial keratitis. And the last one is deafness. So three important place is attacked. So you have these three important things: Hutchinson teeth, interstitial keratitis, and deafness. These three are the triad. So now let me show you the pictures of some important features of congenital syphilis, okay, so that you can understand it properly. Now look at this. Can you look at this? This right side, you see the baby's hand. This baby's hand in the black, I am showing in the black border, okay? Right side, can you see the black border? Yes. This baby's hand is having the maculopapular rash. You can see maculopapular rash. Next, let me show you the hepatosplenomegaly. Hepatosplenomegaly for you. So look at this baby. Can you see this baby on the right side? You can see in the black box, right side, you can see the baby which is having the hepatosplenomegaly. Early symptoms, you can see written here, symptomatic early symptoms of hepatosplenomegaly in congenital syphilis. Another thing which I will show you is from congenital syphilis is the saddle nose. Let me show you this one, which is also very very important. Can you see this kind of nose? The right side the woman is having. This is saddle nose. The black, in the black background you can see right side of the screen, the saddle nose. So this is also a feature of congenital syphilis. Another thing which I will show you is Schwarzschild. So you see this Schwarzschild. Can you see? Let me show you the radiograph. Yes, this radiograph is showing this is the 10 years old boy with Schwarzschild. Let me show you this some pictures. This is also showing the Schaber-Schinn. So you can see that these tibia has become sword-like. It has become sharpened. So that is Schaber-Schinn. This is another picture showing Schaber-Schinn. You can see Schaber-Schinn. Now let me show you the Hutchinson teeth. Hutchinson teeth. So what happens in Hutchinson teeth? Let me show you. This one. See this teeth. What kind of features you are seeing? This is Hutchinson teeth. So you get notched incisors. So in syphilis you get Hutchinson teeth, which is notched incisors. Can you see this teeth? Hutchinson teeth. Can you see? This teeth is widely spaced. So widely spaced and having a notch in the middle. That is Hutchinson teeth. Another thing is interstitial keratitis. Let me show you this one. Interstitial keratitis. Interstitial keratitis. Yes, this picture. Look at this. What is this? This is interstitial keratitis that is also found in congenital syphilis. Look at this. This is interstitial keratitis. Look at this. This is also interstitial keratitis. So this can be found in congenital syphilis. So these are the clinical symptoms which I showed you, which is very important. You need to understand this. And this is the end of this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for getting many more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, write down in the comment section below. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.